Good day everyone. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use the if-else statement in PHP programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Conditions are very important in writing a program. In PHP, one of the most common type of conditional statement is the use of if-else statement. If-else statement primarily is if the condition is true, the first statement will be executed, but if the value given by the user is not right, you should be execute the second statement that is false. No, so we can start writing less than question mark PHP, and then we can have here a simple comment. Let us save our first our work, new folder. Let's say for example if underscore else. Double click, and then we can have index. Click the save button. Okay, so let's say for example we have here a comment if dash else statement in PHP. Author Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Today is November 5, 8:37 AM Tuesday. So let's say for example here we can have here age. Let's say for example 16. PHP is considered as a loosely typed programming language. What do we mean of loosely typed programming language? It means that we can declare a variable and use the variable without declaring its data type. So that is the difference between if we compared in Java, C, C++, PHP, Python, Ruby, and Perl are loosely language. No, we can use a variable without declaring its data type in our program. Let's say for example we want to check if the age of the person is legal age or not. No? So here in the Philippines, in other parts of the world, the legal age is 18. So if $age greater than or equal to 18, begin, echo your age $a is already an adult. Okay, else echo to save time and effort, let us copy this one and paste. Your age is still a minor. You are still a minor. Okay, let us save our work. Now we open our browser. Localhost if underscore else. Okay, very clear. Let us check the code. Okay, so let us check, no. In this illustration, I give the age of the person 16. So in our condition, if age greater than or equal to 18, definitely not, because the age that is being given is 16. So it is not true, then the else statement is being executed. So it gives us the result that your age 16, you are still a minor. It means our program is correct. What if we will give our age here 18? What? Okay, let us go with the browser. Simply refresh. Okay, so 18, we give the age 18. Your age 18, you are already an adult, because the value of 18 is correct. No, it is true in the first condition. If 18 greater than or 18, means you are already an adult. Now, I would like to share with you one of the most common mistake by the beginning programmer. Sometimes they forget to put an equal sign here. Okay, let us save. What will happen if we forget to put an equal sign if age greater than or equal to 18 and then the age value that we give is 18? We get a wrong result. Why? Because the condition cannot met with the value, because we don't put an equal to 18 here. So we can get your age 18, you are still a minor. Let us refresh. See? That is most common mistake. So every time that we use if-else statement, we must make sure that the condition is always correct to avoid problem. So by putting an equal sign and then refresh. Okay, let us save first. Refresh. We get the right result. Your age 18, you're already an adult. Another example. Let's say for example we have here the age 56. Okay, so your age 56 is already an adult. Correct. Let's say for example we have here 10. Refresh. Your age 10, you are still a minor. So we have already illustrated several scenario in example, and then we get the right result as we are expected. Before we end this video tutorial, if you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Thank you very much guys for watching. Until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.